had some extra time on this maintenance, so I decided to check the efficiency of this unit. Pretty much what you're going to need is a psychrometer, manometer, and tachometer. You're also going to need to remember this formula. It's CFM times 4.5 times delta H. This is called the total heat formula. Then you're going to have to install some test ports into your return and supply duct. Don't forget to put at least some tape over it. Then you're going to use your manometer to get your total external static pressure and then note your reading. I got 0.42 inches of water column. Next, you're going to get your psychrometer and measure your wet bulb at your return and your supply. So now you get your wet bulb temperature readings and you use an enthalpy chart to convert it from wet bulb to enthalpy. So my readings came out to 19.8 enthalpy and 24.9 enthalpy. So the difference between that is 5.1. So that's your delta H, which just means difference in enthalpy. So now the next thing, you have to get fan CFM. So you have to get your tachometer and you get a piece of reflective tape, put it on the blower shaft, and then you measure the RPM, which I got 1105 RPM. So now you have to find your manual and look for the blower table for your tonnage, and you use your static pressure and RPM that will convert it to CFM. I got 2400 CFM, so now we could use the total heat formula. Which is 2400 times 4.5 times 5.1, which equals 55,000. So 55,000 out of the 60,000 rated BTUs is 92% efficiency, which is actually really good. I know it seems like a lot of work, but if you have the tools, you have the formulas, if you have the knowledge, it'll only take you like 10-15 minutes. Shout out to NCI, that's where I learned all of this. I really recommend the class.